and another backyard video. Welcome to today's video of I'm doing something in the backyard. So here we have I don't know how many pieces of 2x6. I think by 10. As you can see here, they were starting to get weathered. Hence why I have them. Over there is real bad. No termites have gotten to them yet though. Thank God for that. This one, I don't know. But yeah. Guess what? Take a wild guess how much it costs. Take a wild guess. Free! Yes, sir. Over here, on the other hand, those I won so lucky. $5 each. Haha. Can't complain about that. So I am going to put some good old sealer mixed with stain on them, like I did to those a couple months ago. And sometime this week, when I get home, I'll just start putting them up. Yep. Can't complain about FREE. You can't. And you can't complain about the price on those either. What I would love though, if somebody in a 75-mile radius got a milling machine, let me know, because I got some other free stuff coming up in about 2 weeks. Been promised to me since last summer, but things have been happening. Finally getting them in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and I want to get them milled. So if I can get that done. So if you're in a 75-mile radius of Milton, just hit me up. Let me know. We work out something. Let me know what it costs per pole, and I get on the way. I'll bring them to you, mill them, bring them back home. All right, but anyway, let me get the stain in so I can get this knocked out and I actually accomplish something today. This is the end result of 3 hours staining all the sides but one. Done. Roller is malfunctioning on me, so I'll get another one tomorrow and finish off. So in the meantime, grab the Sawzall over here, and I have 2 pallets that I already have ripped up here. I'm gonna finish ripping these 2 so that sometime throughout the week I can build a compost box behind where the greenhouse is going. I still haven't made any progress on that as yet. Going back to the drawing board, trying to figure out the size before I put the concrete in the ground for the post. Let me get to ripping this up, stacking them. Oh, another task complete for today. Trying to find more materials, specifically 2x4s. Anything that's 6 foot long or more that somebody's getting rid of, I'll go snatch it up. I almost forgot my sawzall. I'll go snatch it up and I can, put walls together. That's my biggest thing. I want to be able to put the back and the side walls up all at once. So I don't know how long it's going to take, being that I'm scoring for materials. It's almost spring. We had 81-degree days, 75-degree days. Now it's back down to 50s. And they said next week is going to be colder. I make progress any which way I can. There's so much going on that I have planned for this backyard. And like I say, as stuff comes up and I can get it, that's what I do. All right, that's what I do. Those who don't have a way, make a way, basically. And I'm thinking of going back to doing t-shirts to help supplement the building in his backyard. Thinking about it, praying to God about it. Let's see which way it goes. And we talk about the pool so much. I've never shown you guys. So that bin has brackets, sides, pins, you name it, and the actual poles for the side of it are in the shed. I've had that stuff for like a year and a half, 2 years. I just need to get a liner, which the liner will run me, $275, $300, somewhere around there. So it's already been sourced. I have the pieces. I just need a liner to put it up. Then sure I can find a cover somewhere that'll fit it for when storms or next winter. So yeah, I got that stuff free. So I just gotta purchase the liner to put in there. But that's how I'm able to go ahead and build the area, because I already know what size it is. So just never told you guys that. But